Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi, my name is Art Lembo, and I want to thank you for checking out my course, Learning the Phos4G Stack QGIS Desktop. This course is part of a larger curriculum I'm introducing that covers the full stack of free and open source software for geospatial, or Phos4G. What I mean by stack is that I've created courses that cover the desktop, server, and developer portions of the Phos4G stack. For the desktop, I have this course on QGIS. But for the server portion of the curriculum, I have courses in Enterprise GIS with Postgres and PostGIS, and another course in GeoServer. For the developer portion, I have courses in Python, GDAL, and SQL. The best part of the curriculum is that it's completely integrated together. Each of the courses we make use the same data and solve many of the same problems for the same geographic area. This will allow you to learn how to solve spatial problems using different software packages and also give you insight into how each of them work. But for this class, we're going to take a very deep look into the latest version of QGIS. In fact, this is a complete class that includes over 7 hours of material. QGIS has added so much functionality since its last release. It's absolutely amazing. In this class, you're going to learn how to manage, process, and analyze vector, raster, and attribute data. You're going to learn how to integrate GIS with other software products and also access data in the cloud. At the end of this class, you'll really have a good understanding of how to use QGIS as your desktop GIS software. I think you're going to really find that QGIS can do just about anything that other commercial-based desktop GIS packages can do. And having mastered the desktop portion of the Phos4G stack, you'll be ready to move on to the server and developer-based applications. I hope you enjoy the class.